How to share a memory on Facebook. Facebook Memories allows you to look back on past posts, photos, and other activities and share them with friends. This video is a short guide to help you out with this. First of all, make sure that you have logged into your Facebook account. Then, tap on the menu which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. Then under your shortcuts, you will see Memories option. Simply tap on it. Now scroll through the list and find the specific memory you like to share. Memories can include posts, photos, or interactions with friends from the date. Under the memory, you will see a share button. Tap share to open a new post window where you can add text or customize who can see it. In this way, you can easily share Facebook memory among your friends. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.